In this tutorial I'll show you how to add background music to any scene in Unity, so let's get started. So right now I have this very basic top-down game, and let's say I just want to add some background music to this. You can add it to anything, by the way. So I just stop the game, and first I need some background music, and I'm just gonna go to Window, Package Manager, My Assets, and download this 8-bit music which I have. You might have your own background music you want to use instead, but I'll use this one. So I'll just import that. So I just want track 1, so I'll import that. So now I have this folder with some music, and what I'll do is right click up here, then I'll go to create empty, and then I'll call this background music, and on here I'll set it to 000, and then I'll add an audio source component like this one, and then I'll drag my track right here, so my music, onto the audio resource, and then I'll make sure that play on awake is set to true, so it just plays automatically. And also let's set looping to true as well, so when the track is done it will just loop and start over. And yeah, now we can hit play. And yep, the music is playing, so perfect. I hope you liked this very simple tutorial, and also check out my school community in the link in the description. In there you will be part of a community and you can go through all of my courses and also ask me specific questions. So check that out in the link in the description. Have an amazing day.